Hello friends, how are you? I hope are you well and warmly welcome back to this solution. I hope this is a most important tutorial for all guys who use AutoCAD basically survey purpose. You must have understood what is going to happen in today's video. Let's see how to check any of your AutoCAD drawings on this map to see your drawing is correct or not. First of all, you can show here is an AutoCAD file. Now I am open it. That is my drawing. I am doing this with the help of AutoCAD geolocation command. So now I will show you how to do this whole process. Hey guys, I am Ravi Pal and you have seen this solution advanced tutorial. You have given so much love, give more. Please subscribe this solution so that the subscriber of the channel become 1000 people and join our channel every video by pressing the bell icon and clicking all. And don't forget to like. So don't waste your time, let's begin. Today my topic is how to check your survey data by using AutoCAD geolocation command. First of all, I want to clear one thing, that is I am use AutoCAD 2018 version and I have already installed AutoCAD 2018 product, that is Autodesk AutoCAD 2015 to 18 geolocation online map hotfix. I will provide you the download link for the particular AutoCAD product, so don't worry. Please check out it on description. You can insert geographic location information to a drawing file by specifying the location of a reference point on a map provided by an online map service. Please remember it, you must be signed into your Autodesk account to use the online map service. For an example, I have a drawing file of survey area and I know the location, that is latitude, longitude, and know the specified CRS, that means coordinate reference system. At first, open your drawing file, type geo command, press enter, again type M for map, press enter and find the location. In the geographic location dialog box, in the address box, type the name of the landmark or road near the reference location. Please remember it or note down. If you know the latitude longitude of a nearby location, you can search for that as well. Then click search option. If you have UTM coordinates, then convert it into latitude longitude. Here I am used a conversion tool to do this. Here I am type latitude longitude for my drawing location. I am provide this lat long to UTM or UTM to lat long converter download link in video description box. You can download it from there. Let's see how to convert. Select map.m, that is WGS84. Write your zone value, whatever it is. Select your zone hemisphere, that is north or south, and type your easting northern value. Then click on convert button. Here in result dialog box, show your latitude longitude value in degree, minute, second or decimal. Now copy this latitude longitude decimal value and stick this value on notepad for later use. Then close this converter. Now copy this latitude value and paste it in the address box, then press comma, then paste longitude value. And click search option. In the result pane, on the result nearest to the reference location, click drop mark. Here a marker is inserted in the map. Please remember, instead of searching, you can zoom the map, right click the location and click drop mark here. Another thing, zoom the map such that the marker and location to set are clearly visible. Also, you can drag the geographic marker to the desired location. Then click next. In the GIS coordinate system list, select a coordinate system. The coordinate system that has its bottom closest to the marker location provides the best result. By default, this is the first coordinate system in the list and as well as time zone, and set your drawing unit as well. After selected, click next. In the drawing area, click the base position corresponding to the location or type your location ID, means easting, northing and level. Then at the command prompt, enter the angle for the x-axis to the north direction. Here I am right 90 degree for axis direction. Initially I turn off the map option, so I turn it on again. Here in front of you, AutoCAD drawing showing on the AutoCAD Bing map. So friends, this is the way to check your survey data. I want to tell one thing for my subscriber. For those of you who don't understand the videos, please let us know what you think, and as well as keep your valuable comment on comment section. And if you like the channel The Solution, you must subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification first. And please don't forget to like. So for today, see you in the next video.